Our goal at the Non-Human Identity Management Group is to educate, evangelize about this problem. It's the hardest thing you're ever going to face in your careers. So all of us, we're trying to help guide you, give you the best knowledge. And look, we want you to come to our portal, NHIMG.org. It's a community. It's where we share the best knowledge in the industry. We've just launched our NHIforum.org. I can sense there's a lot of burning questions here from this group, and throughout today, raise your questions, ask them. We've got a lot of great talent.
Put them on the forum.
Please ask your questions, get advice, share your best practices. We just launched the NHI Hall of Fame. Right, we want to find the top 10 NHI stories. If you've got your scare stories, that helps educate the industry on how big this problem is, share it on our forum and get help and advice. This is not the end, this is the start, and we're here to help you on your journey. Thank you all.